Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to use personal intelligence in the Gemini so you can get more personalized and helpful responses. So let's get started. Now first you want to open your Gemini and make sure you're logged into your Google account. Personal intelligence is a beta feature that helps Gemini learn your preferences, tone, and how you like responses over time. And here's the key thing. This feature is still rolling out, so you might not see it yet. It's mainly available for personal Gmail accounts in the US and not for school or work accounts. To check this, you want to go into your settings. Then from here, you'll be able to see right away personal intelligence. And once you click that, you'll see your connected apps like Gmail, Drive, or Docs. And turning these on is often required for personal intelligence to work. If you see the toggle, just switch it on. Now, if you don't see it yet, like this one, it's likely due to the stage rollout, your region, or account type. Sometimes just signing out and back in or updating the app can help you. And once it is enabled, Gemini starts learning from your chats, your tone, your style, and your usual topics. So responses feel more personal instead of generic. You can even guide it by telling it how you want replies like short, detailed, or structured answers, and it'll adapt over time. So, yeah, personal intelligence basically turns Gemini into a smarter assistant that learns how you work. So, basically, that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.